it's just gonna be for now. I'm on my walk home from school.
It doesn't say I'm gonna stalk you.
But I'm gonna do an unboxing video. You have to see what it is when I get home. And hopefully it'll be there by then. I might have to wait for the mailman, which will probably be an hour. Not really. But yeah, let's just listen to some music and go. It hasn't come yet, but I'm gonna go get Ron because I'm helping him make a YouTube.
I'm actually doing chores.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's just daily edition of that. And yeah.
Stop and get something from my grandma's. I'm right here. I just gotta grab the knife because I've got the package. It's over a little. And let's open this up. The package right there. So let's just do that. Oh yes, yeah. So yeah, no. Oh, that hurt. But this is a phone case. So let's open this up. Yeah. Yeah. Oh wow, I can just open it up like that. Ooh, that's a nice case. Sorry, my brother rocked it. So it's hard, and it's also rubber. Oh man, I got that on my mom's head. So Aiden used to have a case just like this. So hold up. No, that's not my phone. That is. So this is my phone with the case. Yeah. Can't stand that case. So let's just put it in. Ooh, that's really cool. Oh no! Ah, dang it! I should have known. Oh no, it'll work. Hold up. Let's listen to the music. Let's see. What was first? Yeah. Because that's the case on the phone. It actually looks really nice. Rams, check them out. I got this on Amazon. I get everything. I like the way the power button is and the volume. I just like the case. And it's really protective. Like, yeah. It's a nice case. Okay. Amazon. How many stars? Let's listen to it. Kind of a short video, but hey. There I am. And there I am. And there I am. But yeah, it wasn't really much. It was just a new phone case. So hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe and ciao.